Hello and welcome my ukulele friends. In this video I'll be going through 5 riffs that you can start playing even as a beginner. If you've never read tab before, check out my last episode on how to read and play ukulele tabs. A quick tip before moving on: to slow down the video, go to your settings cog, click playback speed and slow down. Stick around till the end of the episode to have your say on which song should have the next tutorial. I'm gonna fight 'em all. A 7-nation army couldn't hold me back. Here come old flat top, he come grooving up slowly. He got juju eyeballs, he won holy roller. He got don't ask questions you don't wanna know. Learned my lesson way too long ago. Which one do you want to learn most? Comment below and let me know. The songs with the most comments will have a tutorial made next. Thanks for sticking around, and don't forget to subscribe to find out which song wins and for future tutorials and lessons.